Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar RV channel, your reliable source for everything related to the IQD and the highly anticipated revaluation. Today's video is packed with critical insights, so don't look away. We're tackling a major question on the minds of thousands of dinar holders. How might Chase Bank manage your Iraqi Dinar exchange in 2025? From daily conversion caps to cash access rules and phased rollouts, we're diving into everything you need to know to make informed decisions. If you've been holding on to your dinar waiting for that game-changing moment, this guide could be a crucial roadmap. Let's get started. What to expect from Chase Bank in 2020 as 2025 approaches? Many Iraqi dinar investors are zeroing in on how top U.S. financial institutions might process exchanges after a possible RV revaluation. Among them, Chase Bank, a major player in the American banking system, is expected to take a leading role if the IQD sees a value surge. If the RV happens, Chase may implement structured procedures like exchange limits and document verification to ensure an orderly and secure conversion process. Understanding their potential approach now gives you a critical advantage when that long-awaited day arrives. Daily exchange caps. What you should know. It's highly likely that Chase, like other banks, will not allow large-scale exchanges of Iraqi dinar in one visit. Instead, daily limits may be enforced to manage liquidity, reduce fraud risks, and maintain financial stability in the early days of the revaluation. These limits wouldn't be permanent, but would help prevent system overloads. Possible scenarios. While no official figures are confirmed, banking experts suggest that standard account holders could be limited to exchanging between $5,000 and $10,000 per day. Premium clients or those in private banking might enjoy higher thresholds, possibly $25,000 to $50,000 per day or more. Your account type, transaction history, and existing relationship with Chase could significantly impact your access and speed. Document verification requirements. Be ready for a thorough verification process. Chase is expected to enforce strict KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering policies. Here's what you may need. Proof of dinar purchase. Receipts, certificates of authenticity. Government-issued ID. Passport, driver's license, social security number. Possibly tax documents. Start organizing your paperwork now to avoid delays later. Cash withdrawal restrictions. Even if you manage to exchange a significant amount of IQD in one day, don't expect to take all of it home in physical dollars. Banks often limit cash withdrawals to prevent liquidity shortages. For example, physical cash access might be limited to $5,000, $10,000 per day. Remaining funds would be available via direct deposit, wire transfer, or kept in your account. Planning for electronic access is essential, especially if you're converting larger sums. Chase's likely rollout strategy. Chase may use a phased rollout to handle the expected surge in demand. Initial access could be reserved for private banking clients, high-net-worth individuals, established account holders. Eventually, access would open to regular customers. Developing a relationship with your local branch now may increase your chances of early access. What you can do now. Preparation will be the deciding factor in whether your RV experience is smooth or stressful. Here are steps you can take today. 1. Open an account at Chase if you don't already have one. 2. Gather all documentation related to your dinar. 3. Get familiar with online banking tools, apps, wire transfers, and account management. 4. Make a personal strategy. Decide how much dinar you'll exchange first and how much you'll keep. 5. Consult a tax expert to prepare for any capital gains or reporting obligations. If you walk into a branch with unverified dinar and no account, you might be turned away. But if you come prepared, your chances of a fast and professional experience go way up. Tax responsibilities. Revaluation could mean a significant gain, and the IRS will want its share. Depending on how much you exchange, capital gains taxes and other financial reporting may apply. Chase will likely issue tax forms after the exchange. Having a qualified CPA or financial advisor on standby will help you manage these obligations properly. Planning now prevents costly surprises later. The psychological factor. Suddenly managing large sums of money can be overwhelming. The best time to plan is before the pressure hits. Decide now how much you'll exchange immediately, what you'll keep, where you'll invest. Chase may even offer financial advisory services during the process, especially for large transactions. Stay calm, ask questions, and stick to your plan. Final thoughts. Prepare, don't panic. There's no confirmed revaluation date, rate, or exchange policy from the Iraqi Central Bank or U.S. institutions like Chase. But preparing now is better than waiting until it's too late. Key takeaway. Preparation turns uncertainty into opportunity. Summary. Checklist. Open a Chase account. Collect and organize IQD purchase documents. Learn to use Chase's digital tools. Create an exchange and withdrawal game plan. Talk to a tax professional. Stay informed through trusted sources. Thank you for tuning in to this full breakdown of how Chase Bank may handle IQD exchanges in 2025. We'll keep bringing you clear, fact-based updates as new information comes in. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with fellow diner holders and prepare now so you're not left behind later. See you in the next update. And remember, the best time to get ready is before the RV happens. Disclaimer. This article is intended for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or tax advice. The foreign exchange market is inherently risky and prone to misinformation. Consult with qualified professionals before making any investment decision. Iraqi Dinar RV is not liable for any losses or damages resulting from the use or reliance on this content.